Hey guys, welcome to another Ready Yeti Spotlight. I'm Matt. This week we're going to be checking out Fireside Outdoor. Fireside Outdoor Indoor. Fireside Outdoor makes extremely portable, well-made fire pits that allow you to burn leave no trace fires. It is a very simple yet extremely effective means to enjoy fire. There are over 1 billion outdoor outings in the US each year. But the biggest problem that the US Forest Service deals with each year is trash, specifically burnt trash, the kind of trash that you just throw into a fire. They don't really have the manpower to go through each campsite and make sure that there is 100% trash-free campfires and that every site is meticulously cleaned. Fireside Outdoor caught wind of this problem and decided to create a solution. They even started working with Boy Scouts of America and an arson investigator and ultimately came up with this, their pop-up fire pit. Today we're going to be checking out their pop-up pit. This is an extremely straightforward yet extremely sturdy and lightweight fire pit designed to leave no trace fires. It even meets federal fire pan regulations. When I say straightforward, I mean straightforward. There are really only like 6 parts involved. You have the 4 sides of the fire guards, comes with fire guards, the actual fire mesh in the middle, and the stand itself, this bottom thing. There's no tools needed to set this up. You just place the fire guards and the mesh on these little prongs right here on the stand. It's that simple. Super simple, super easy, super effective. All in all, it takes maybe a minute to set up if you're like really taking your time. I mean, like, you probably get this thing set up in 20 seconds. That's being kind of generous. I mean, if there was a contest, I'd feel pretty good about, getting this thing going. So we talked a little bit about leave no trace fire pits. What that actually means is that the mesh is moldable. You can pick it up like a taco, dump it into a bag, boom, you've did cleanup. The cool thing about the mesh is it's designed to release heat faster than it actually absorbs it, so it's specifically meant to not melt or degrade over time. And with that, it cools in about 90 seconds. So when you're done with the fire, when it finally goes out, you don't need to really wait around for it to truly go out. Just gotta wait a little bit and it'll be good to handle. The pit can hold a hefty amount of wood, real hefty, about 125 pounds, kind of a lot, and it is rust free. So if you get hit with a surprise storm that you do not want, you don't really need to worry about actually covering this thing in a panic. I mean, you should take care of it though. It even has a modular construction. Now, I'm just throwing this out there. You can get a grill accessory for this. Fireside Outdoor has a bunch of accessories. I feel like the grill, kind of a no-brainer. If you're going camping, having a grill would be great. Just saying. Lastly, it comes with a convenient carrying case. It really does make a difference, especially when you're storing it. You can just kind of keep it in your car, just in case you're a big car camper. And it weighs 8 pounds. And it's very, very lightweight. Very, very portable. They do have other levels and accessories as I mentioned, so if you want to get something like super built out, super safe, they even have like an ash catcher, a fire shield on the bottom in case you want to use this on a wooden deck. Could be worthwhile, so check them out. All in all, if you're looking for a really safe, super simple cleanup fire pit that's easy to set up and really portable, I would definitely recommend checking out Fireside Outdoors, specifically their pop-up pit. It's good, it's a good one. That's it for our spotlight of Fireside Outdoor. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a comment below letting us know what you thought of this video. Subscribe, bell notification, like, the YouTube stuff. Do all the YouTube stuff. That's it for now. Stay tuned for another Ready Yeti Spotlight coming at you next week.